Good morning, Philippines! Morning, world! Good morning, Metro Manila! And good morning, Metro Cebu! What should be our response? What should be our action, our reaction during this ongoing worldwide crisis? Alala niyo po, nagkaroon tayo ng worldwide COVID pandemic crisis years ago. And this time, it's another worldwide crisis. Wars, inflation, and unstable oil price increase. And what the Bible, the Word of God, really says or teach about all of these things. So, yan po ang ating napakagandang message or tutorial this morning. So, I want everyone to listen very carefully and stay trapped. Don't go away. Watch this video until it's ending. And again, I assure everyone, marami po kayong matututuhan na pwede nyong i-apply sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay as we go through this ongoing worldwide crisis. What should we do? What must be our action? How should we respond as Christians and even not Christians? All right?